Calling 412-262-1988. Posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Pittsburgh. Weather Bulletin. For the Weather Bulletin. For the following county, Crawford, Pennsylvania. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Erie County in northwestern Pennsylvania, Crawford County in northwestern Pennsylvania, until 4:45 p.m. At 3:50 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Linesville to 11 miles southeast of Greenville, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Erie, Meadville, Edinburgh, Union City, Girard, Cambridge Springs, Waterford, Albion, Linesville, Wattsburg, Adamsville, Canandaigua Lake, Riceville, Harmonsburg, Northwest Harbor Creek, Lincolnville, Guys Mills, Atlantic, Pymatuning North and Pymatuning Central. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.